a screen. Can't decipher this directive read. Suffocate. I'm glitching.